these majestic mountains offering vistas at every turn. Wow, we have a special rare visitor. Let's check it out. It's a beautiful hawk. It's rare that it landed on the tree that is so close by. Did you know? Hawks have extraordinary eyesight, allowing them to spot prey from great distances. They can see up to 8 times more clearly than humans. They can also see ultraviolet light, which helps them detect the urine trails of small mammals. Hawks play a crucial role in the ecosystem, helping to control the populations of rodents and other small animals. Their keen vision and powerful talons make them expert hunters. Hawks build their nests high in trees, on cliff ledges, or even on tall buildings. Their nests are often reused year after year, with both parents involved in nest construction and maintenance. Thanks for joining me on this mountain trail adventure. If you enjoyed this journey, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more nature explorations.